Want to know how to get beautiful, bright, sexy, smooth legs this summer? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of discoloration on the legs with my DIY leg scrub and my leg shaving routine. To begin my DIY leg scrub, I use this glass bowl. I use a tablespoon to measure the sea salt. I use a half a cup to measure the coconut oil. I use this Himalayan pink salt. This is fine pink salt. It's non-GMO. It's very important because it's not chemically processed. It's super fine, so it doesn't rip your skin. It's very, very gentle and it exfoliates your legs so beautifully. I use this Nature's Promise organic extra virgin coconut oil. To begin, I use the half a cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer. It's naturally antibacterial and antifungal, so it helps with any breakouts or pimples I may have on my legs. It also helps with increasing hydration on my skin. It keeps my skin feeling nourished and moisturized without ever feeling greasy. Then I use a tablespoon of sea salt. Sea salt cleanses the pores. It helps with oil production. It helps with any acne I may have on my legs. It also helps remove dead skin cells, keeping the skin looking fresh and clean. If you have any dark spots, salt will help with brightening your skin cells and making your skin glow naturally. I love sea salt. And then I use my spatula by MAC and I just make sure everything's well blended. Now this is a DIY scrub, so you can make this as oily or as salty as you want. An optional step is adding an essential oil to the mixture. I love essential oils. I love aromatherapy, and I sometimes add essential oils to my mixture. I especially love using the lavender oil at night after a long day to help me with my stress, to help me sleep. It can help with anxiety, so an essential oil will definitely enhance your leg scrub experience. Now I'm ready to exfoliate my legs and rub my leg scrub onto my legs. I take my time. I make sure every inch of my leg is well moisturized, well scrubbed. I'm never really harsh. I take my time, just making sure everything's well coated, and it just feels so good. It doesn't feel irritating. This leg scrub is very special to me because I have extremely sensitive skin. Any little thing, I can get a pimple on my skin if I use a strong detergent or a specific fabric. Sometimes I get just irritation or a pimple or a rash. So I need some organic products. I need natural products, so I took it upon myself to find a solution to my problem. I'm super excited to share it with you, just in case you have, these issues with your legs, with discoloration. My legs are definitely not perfect. I do still have red spots. I do still have acne scars, but this scrub has been helping me so much, so that's the reason why I'm so excited to share it with you. Just to be patient with your skin. Rub it once a week for now. Start slowly with this leg scrub. You'll definitely see a difference in your skin with the visible brightness that your legs will have, the less irritation, less pimples, beautiful glowy skin. Yay! I love it. I hope you try it. Now that my legs are fully exfoliated and rinsed and pat dry, now I'm ready to shave my legs. I use this skull shaver. It's the Butterfly Pro 5H butterfly shaver. This is actually an electric shaver. I use this because my husband recommended this. If you saw my get ready with us video that my husband created with me, he uses the male version of this on his head. He gets such a beautiful close shave on his head without any irritation, without any razor bumps. And he knows my struggle. He knows I get razor bumps, I get razor burn. I struggle so much with ordinary razors and shavers all the time, and even like shaving creams. So he recommended this to me, and honestly this has also helped my legs so much. I don't get razor burn on my legs, I don't get razor bumps, I don't really get ingrown hairs because I exfoliate my legs before I shave, and this does such a good job with shaving my legs. I can do it outside of the shower, I can do it inside of the shower. I take my time and do circular motions. This clip is actually sped up so it looks like I'm going crazy but I do take my time, circular motions, do a good job, and shaving my legs. I love it. Including an SPF and a moisturizer is such an important step. I love this SPF by Supergoop. It's the sun defying sunscreen oil with metal foam. It's SPF 50, and as you can see I already have a backup. SPF is very important to add as part of my leg routine because with all the red spots and acne marks that I have, I want to make sure that they don't get any darker. It does an amazing job with protecting my skin from the harmful rays while also keeping my skin moisturized. It has an ingredient called metal foam, and it's a seed oil that penetrates into the skin, keeping the skin well moisturized, and it also has antioxidants which helps keep the skin looking soft and smooth. I hope you enjoy my video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. Your support means so much to me. If you're new to my channel, make sure you comment down below, this way I can welcome you to my channel. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.